This is the most necessary coffee I've had in a very long time. One more cheers. Good vibes. Cheers, baby. Woohoo! Okie dokie.
Lobster. Take two. Because there was music playing kanina. No, really. It's true. Go.
So, we're heading to Provincetown.
Town.
On the map right here, we're checking out what could be the beach for our sunset this evening. So it's a beach with 0 obstructions looking out west. It's very near Race Point, which is the very tip, the most north and westerly tip of Cape Cod as it comes up there. So.
This is Race Point Beach in Provincetown. It's part of the Cape Cod National Seashore. There's a $25 entrance fee per car, which covers the whole day. Just a heads up, dogs aren't allowed here during the summer season, so instead, we are heading to Herring Cove Beach where dogs are allowed. The entrance fee is the same, $25 per car for the whole day, and you can visit any beach within the National Seashore with that pass.
Indeed. Hi there, little man. Oh, for sure. Yeah, we should make this a relatively quick beach hang so we can do that, then get to our boat.
So excited for our sailing.
Indeed, right, baby?
Yeah.
How many grown-ups does it take to fold up a beach mat? Yeah.
I think I got it.
I was equally confused, baby.
Okay, wait.
That looks good. Nice. Uh-oh, okay. Well, we're getting to a critical point. Oh! Oh! We have a winner. Record time. Bye-bye, Herring Cove. That has your dog on the boat.
Love that.
First thing you're going to do is unclip it, okay? And you get your head through the hole one way or the other. Strap around the back, clips onto the ring, or strap around the back and clips onto the ring, okay? These go in the zip locker right here.
Okay.
And we have the baby's life jacket in there too. Teeny. We're gonna motor out the fairway, get into the wind to southeast now, raise the main, and we'll set the jib on either one of these coasts, okay?
Very cool. Nice one.
Tiny. I got a little friend here. Oh no!
Okay, mate.
These women are part of an installation called They Also Faced the Sea. They were Portuguese matriarchs, wives, mothers, and community pillars who held things together while the fishermen were out at sea. Right now, 2 of the original 5 portraits are missing, one damaged by wind, the other by time, but the plan is to bring them back. I love that Provincetown honors not just the ones who went out to sea, but also the ones who stayed behind waiting.
Don't steer the boat. Okay. That's big. Oh, little man. Bye-bye. See my dollar sign. Wow. Do we see any fluke? Oh my god, I do see a fluke. Holy cow. Amazing. For those who have dogs and want to sail and are in Provincetown, the moon dance too.
Close, open. Close, open.
El Clásico.
Oh, with wasabi.
Yeah. It's been separated. The combo. Nice, baby. Manhattan. Alrighty. My baby led us through and we survived another dinner with a very talkative Blitzy boy and a very hungry Tiny. We keep going up and we'll turn right at the end. Alright, let's get there for sunset. There it is. The actual monument. Yeah. Pretty cool. Not bad. Back to Herring Cove Beach. Mm-hmm. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow, bow. Tiny, you focus.
We're good now.
Happy 4 years, baby.
Got ourselves sharp shark.
It's sharp.
It's very sharp. Very sharp.
It's very sharp.
Sharp shark teeth
Perfect.
necklaces.
Are you going to necklace me?
Yes. Okay.
That's right, big man. Woohoo! Alrighty, Blitzy boy. Time to explore Chatham with Mama.
Boombala. It's all about me. If the shoe fits boutique. Cute naman. We can go here later. The Mayflower.
Okay, everybody.
First stop.
We outpaint these guys here. Very nice, very nice.
This.
You got it, baby. You caught yourself. My baby's gonna have lobsters and oysters. Oh wow, I didn't know. Bless you. Oh, everything was Good to go back to classic style. Smells good. You can smell the broils. Ah, let's see, boy. Grabbing the camera. Yeah. There's Mama. Okay. Pretty cool. Walkie time. Oh, nice work. Hey, little boy.
Shakespeare in the park tonight.
Very cool stage.
I know. It's so local.
Yeah. Next time we're here.
Hi. Hi, Tiny.
Blitzy boy, this is the song you don't like. Nice.
Toasted marshmallow.
That's delicious, Blitzy boy. I wish you could try. Blitzy boy and Tiny. Almost there, Blitzy boy.